Dive into the world of stock market technical analysis and uncover the key insights for informed trading decisions. I am happy to explain the top 10 technical analysis methods and provide you with two combinations of indicators used for profitable trading. Technical analysis involves studying historical market data, primarily price and volume, to predict future price movements. Keep in mind that while these methods can be helpful, no strategy guarantees profits, and it's important to consider risk management and market conditions. Top 10 Technical Analysis Methods. Moving Averages, MA. Moving averages smooth out price data by calculating the average price over a specific period. They help identify trends and potential reversal points. Two common types are Simple Moving Average, SMA, and Exponential Moving Average, EMA. Relative Strength Index, RSI. RSI measures the speed and change of price movements and ranges from 0 to 100. It's used to identify overbought, above 70, and oversold, below 30, conditions, suggesting potential reversals. MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence. MACD consists of two moving averages, fast and slow, and a histogram representing the difference between them. It indicates trend strength and potential crossovers for buy or sell signals. Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands consist of a moving average and two standard deviation lines above and below it. They help identify volatility and potential price reversals when prices move outside the bands. Stochastic Oscillator. This indicator compares a security's closing price to its price range over a specific period. It identifies potential reversal points and overbought, oversold conditions. Fibonacci Retracement. Based on the Fibonacci sequence, this method identifies potential support and resistance levels by plotting horizontal lines at key ratios, e.g., 38.2%, 50%, 61.8%, on a price chart. Ichimoku Cloud. This Japanese indicator provides a comprehensive view of support, resistance, trend direction, and momentum. It's composed of 5 lines that generate a cloud-like formation on the chart. Volume Analysis. Volume reflects market participation and can confirm price trends. High volume during price increases supports bullish moves, while high volume during price declines supports bearish moves. Candlestick Patterns. Candlestick charts display price movements as candles with different patterns indicating potential reversals or continuation of trends. Examples include doji, hammer, engulfing patterns, etc. Support and resistance. These levels are areas where prices have historically reversed. Support is where prices tend to stop falling, while resistance is where prices tend to stop rising. Profitable Trading Indicator Combinations. Moving Average Crossover with RSI. This combination uses the crossover of two moving averages, e.g., 50-period SMA and 200-period SMA, along with RSI. When the shorter moving average crosses above the longer one and RSI is in oversold territory, it can signal a potential uptrend. Conversely, when the shorter moving average crosses below the longer one and RSI is in overbought territory, it can signal a potential downtrend. MACD with Bollinger Bands. Combine the MACD indicator with Bollinger Bands to identify potential trend reversals. When the MACD histogram crosses above the signal line and the price touches the lower Bollinger Band, it can signal a bullish reversal. Similarly, when the MACD histogram crosses below the signal line and the price touches the upper Bollinger Band, it can signal a bearish reversal. Remember, while these combinations can be effective, it's crucial to backtest and validate any strategy before implementing it in live trading. Additionally, consider combining technical analysis with fundamental analysis and practicing proper risk management to enhance your trading success. If you have enjoyed watching this video, then please do not forget to like and share. Your likes give me the motivation to make more such videos. Also, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, so that you get a notification of our video upload. Thank you. May God bless you with all His divine powers. Wish you bright years ahead.